is we're going to go over to break out of these few videos that you had to look at that just pretty much taught you the basics. I need to get you guys pumped up to show you something new. How's that? So as of yesterday, we well, Dan actually programmed a new script inside of the Zoo World Assistant. So we'll go right to it. We're going to click the Show Hide button. And as I told you before, I'm going to always ask you guys to get in the habit of deleting your cookies. Even though at this feature that we do, you don't have to delete cookies. After you go to your Advanced and delete cookies, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Items tab. And your Items tab, again, like in the video we went over for all of the tab menus, it's going to show you all your list of your items. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in Dove. Now normally you would type in feed, but you're going to type in Dove because we know the animal. Normally you can type in feed and you'll get all of the feed animals after you select filter. So we're going to click the Dove item, and you notice you get the flyout window like we went over in our previous video. And right in the middle where it says Post, Adopt, and Gift, right to the right there where the hash mark is, you're going to click it. And boom. Dan is amazing. He created this other flyout window where you're able to customize what you want to say. So the title, Fix the Broken Wing of this Zebra Dove. You can actually change this. And you can say, of this Zebra Dove, now please. How's that? Let's just say now please. Now, P-L-E-A-S-C. And what happens is when you select Post Custom Adopt, it's going to show you here, before you publish, to the wall, now please. See that? Pretty cool. Thank Dan. You're also able to do all kinds of things with it. This you can change a lot of other statements under here through, and I'm just going to skip this. And I'll just show you basically this right here. This was the text underneath, so you can use that and it'll change that as well. You can change the image, and we'll go over that. But these are some features I think that at the beginning, the new user level, that you will have fun doing. And because what I want to also do is I want to be able to show you inspect element method that we use. And so I'm going to close this, and I'm going to select Show Hide, and I'm just going to show you the bird that, see, when we do inspect element routine, this is like, I think what I want you to do is get out of this is I want you to be able to look at this video and know that you can pause it at any time and get back to the steps where you think you missed. So it's not an easy tutorial, however, we're going to go right at it. If we look at this version over here, and this is in our cafe, we got all the documents in the cafe. We just right click here and we select copy, just like in our copy paste routine, a demonstration that we did earlier. Then we go over here and we can do inspect element. All right. Now usually you do this when you adopt an animal, when you adopt adopt off the feed. And I just want to show you where you post it. So after you do inspect element, what's going to happen is you're going to get another window that opens up shortly. I have a lot of things open and it's probably just dragging. Even in the background I've got all kinds of video stuff going on. But you see over here where it says regular achievement header, you have to actually scroll up as far as you can. Alright, because you might not have a wheel on your mouse that's going to be required for your next step. Select it with a left click, and then right click it and select edit as HTML. What you'll notice is down here at the bottom of this box, don't get mixed up in all this stuff over here. Just concentrate over here. Is you right click right at the end of this tag, right click and paste. Bingo! You see that? That's the drunken diva, yeah, I like those, huh? Zebra doves script. And what you do is you click on the outside, and then you end up clicking here, and you see that right there? that's the upside down script for posting the trunking adopt. And what happens is, you know, when you click on it, it'll bring up basically another window, like we showed you here in post adopt. Let's see, right about here. It's going to bring up another window like this, where but the actual image is going to be upside down. Now, what I didn't do is I didn't go over. I just want to let you know that what I didn't do is I just wanted to show you how to do it basically, because if you don't adopt, sometimes this doesn't work, and you have to adopt off the feed in order for it to work usually. Sometimes I am able to go in here and just select inspect element, but I just wanted to show you another way of going about it. You notice I can click on here and it just stays stagnant. But yeah, that's how you actually, my focus was on how to actually plug the text into the inspect element and show you how it comes up. So we'll get back to adopting off the feed, but I wanted to show you that in this tutorial how it actually works. Okay, so let's just understand the method of cutting and pasting inside of the inspect element routine. Okay, talk to you later.